Hello. So today we have an ARFA gas master review, which is in this bag, which you might not be able to see very well. So I'll just hold the camera up. This is what the bag looks like. It's quite large. So used with a Velcro system, it's waterproof, and inside you have your mask. This is the mask, the ARFA, which also has a Polish variant which is called the MP5. You might notice that the lens is yellow because the ARFA has a very common issue where the lens will become yellow pigment after a couple decades or so. The rubber also becomes hard. Luckily on this model it isn't hard yet. It uses a French design on the buckle where you just slot it on. It's missing its bottom two straps. Apart from that, it works pretty well. The mask has a drinking tube, 40mm filter, an XL valve on the side, and a voice diaphragm here. And inside you have a oral nasal cup, and you can also see where the drinking tube would come from. We don't have the drinking tube. It also has a tear tube system, which you can see. So I guess now it is to put it on the head. So putting it on the head is as simple as every other mask. You just pull it over. Just like that. It also comes with a filter. This filter being the CFF3, which I'll show once I get that. The CFF3 filter, which is here. So this is a 40mm NATO filter, which just goes in like this, and then it should sit decently. So the ARFA was a shortly used French gas mask around the end of the Gulf War, where they wanted a new gas mask to replace the ANP51, and they came up with this design, which was produced, I believe, from the early 90s to the late 90s, when it was eventually replaced. The mask is was also used in Poland under the MP5 line, which had a different diaphragm. We're not sure if this is the Polish variant, but it likely is just the French variant. But it has pretty nice rubber. It makes a decent seal. Major downside with it is the lens issue, and also sometimes the XL valve can deteriorate a bit and air can come through for it. But apart from that, it's a pretty decent mask. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video, and this is the ARFA.